Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your life by changing your thoughts. Yes, you heard me right. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality and influence your happiness. By changing your thoughts, you can transform your life for the better. In this video, you will learn why your thoughts matter and how they affect your life, how to identify and challenge negative thoughts that hold you back, how to create and practice positive thoughts that empower you, how to use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude to reinforce your positive thinking, the resources and tools to help you change your thoughts and change your life. So, if you're ready to learn how to change your life by changing your thoughts, then let's get started. The first thing you need to know is why your thoughts matter and how they affect your life. Your thoughts are the inner dialogue that you have with yourself every day. They reflect your beliefs, opinions, feelings, and expectations. Your thoughts are not just words in your head. They are powerful signals that influence your emotions, actions, and outcomes. According to the law of attraction, whatever you think about and focus on, you attract into your life. This means that if you think positive thoughts, you attract positive things. If you think negative thoughts, you attract negative things. Your thoughts create your reality. For example, if you think that you are smart, capable, and worthy of success, you will feel confident and motivated. You will take action and pursue your goals. You will attract opportunities and resources that help you achieve them. You will create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your positive thinking. On the other hand, if you think that you are stupid, incompetent, and unworthy of success, you will feel insecure and discouraged. You will avoid action and give up on your goals. You will attract obstacles and challenges that prevent you from achieving them. You will create a negative feedback loop that reinforces your negative thinking. The second thing you need to do is to identify and challenge negative thoughts that hold you back. Negative thoughts are the ones that make you feel bad about yourself or your situation. They are the ones that limit your potential and sabotage your success. They are the ones that cause stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Some examples of negative thoughts are: I can't do this. It's too hard. I'm not good enough. I don't deserve this. I'm a failure. Nobody likes me. Everything is going wrong. These negative thoughts are not facts. They are opinions or assumptions that you have formed based on your past experiences or influences. They are not true or helpful. They are harmful and destructive. To change your negative thoughts, you need to challenge them with logic and evidence. You need to ask yourself questions like, is this thought true or false? What evidence do I have to support or refute this thought? How does this thought make me feel or behave? What would happen if I changed this thought? What would I say to a friend who had this thought? By asking these questions, you can expose the flaws and weaknesses of your negative thoughts. You can also find alternative or positive ways of thinking that are more accurate and beneficial. For example, if you have the negative thought, I can't do this, you can challenge it by asking, is this thought true or false? False. I have done similar or harder things before. What evidence do I have to support or refute this thought? I have the skills, knowledge, and resources to do this task. I have successfully completed similar or harder tasks before. How does this thought make me feel or behave? This thought makes me feel scared and helpless. It makes me avoid or procrastinate on the task. What would happen if I changed this thought? If I changed this thought, I would feel more confident and capable. I would take action and complete the task. What would I say to a friend who had this thought? I would say, you can do this. You have done similar or harder things before. You have the skills, knowledge, and resources to do this task. You are smart, capable, and worthy of success. By challenging your negative thought with these questions, you can replace it with a positive one. I can do this. This positive thought will make you feel more confident and capable. It will make you take action and complete the task. The third thing you need to do is to create and practice positive thoughts that empower you. Positive thoughts are the ones that make you feel good about yourself or your situation. They are the ones that enhance your potential and support your success. They are the ones that cause happiness, optimism, and resilience. Some examples of positive thoughts are: I can do this. It's possible. I'm good enough. I deserve this. I'm a success. People like me. Everything is going well. These positive thoughts are not fantasies. They are affirmations or statements that you make to yourself to improve your self-esteem, motivation, and performance. They are true or helpful. They are beneficial and constructive. To create positive thoughts, you need to use positive words and phrases that express your desired state or outcome. You need to avoid negative words and phrases that express your undesired state or outcome. You need to make your positive thoughts specific, realistic, and believable. For example, if you want to create a positive thought about your goal, you can use this formula. I am plus verb plus adjective plus noun plus time frame. For instance, I am achieving my sales target this month. I am learning a new skill this week. I am enjoying my vacation next year. To practice positive thoughts, you need to repeat them to yourself regularly and consistently. You need to say them out loud or in your mind with conviction and emotion. You need to write them down or display them where you can see them often. You need to make them part of your daily routine. By practicing positive thoughts, you can reinforce them in your subconscious mind. You can also attract more positive things into your life. You can create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your positive thinking. The fourth thing you need to do is to use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude to reinforce your positive thinking. These are powerful techniques that can help you change your thoughts and change your life. Affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself to affirm your desired state or outcome. They help you create and practice positive thoughts. They also help you overcome negative thoughts and doubts. Visualization is the process of imagining your desired state or outcome in your mind. It helps you create a clear and vivid picture of what you want to achieve or experience. It also helps you activate your emotions and senses. Gratitude is the feeling of appreciation and thankfulness for what you have or receive. It helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life. It also helps you attract more abundance and happiness. To use these techniques, you need to do the following. Choose a specific goal or situation that you want to improve or change. Write down some affirmations that reflect your desired state or outcome. Repeat your affirmations to yourself every morning and night. Visualize your desired state or outcome in as much detail as possible. Feel the emotions and sensations that you would feel if you achieved or experienced it. Express gratitude for what you have or receive related to your goal or situation. By using these techniques, you can change your thoughts and change your life. You can program your mind for success and happiness. You can also manifest your dreams and desires. The fifth and final thing you need to do is to use the resources and tools that I have prepared for you to help you change your thoughts and change your life. These resources and tools include a free ebook that explains the law of attraction in more detail, a free worksheet that helps you identify and challenge negative thoughts, a free guide that helps you create and practice positive thoughts, a free audio that helps you use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, a free video that shows you how I changed my thoughts and changed my life. You can access these resources and tools by clicking on the links below. They are completely free and easy to use. They will help you change your thoughts and change your life in no time. So, these are the 5 things that you need to do to change your life by changing your thoughts. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, Let me know in the comments which thing you are going to do, or if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.